Mwamusom for Brighton Papa Tinto ba Tinto 1. Na me ho mfa me kakra me obi kurom nti asen saman kese kwa me ata sa na ka no e wasin fosu kwan Central Region. Na video ya me ye minim sama mo hwe me YouTube page ni ada YouTube page a me de beto Facebook ni ade no mo ho bedwiri mo e be mo anwa anope ya me de nyane ya me bra pani de edro bia bra me wo kofo mo na mo tunto nnuro tunto nnuro information center so ni ade no e mena zo se wose Ghana ye sore ni ehwe mu yi pa sa edro yi kura me ya mu hu ade e wo mi nyina ye sawdust eni gum aya kese wakoso mu yakwa isa sawdust o de gum edro ni di bisenyame herbal capsules eno wonam ena oton bisenyame herbal capsules ade wo mu nyina ye sawdust enti meni abre pa because kofo mere wa bebere ajoto bia omanom said the making ha nkofo e wokrudu awe mu anu aye den papa tese meni abra ye na ma ye hwe nipa kro enti ba bia be hu video yi bia nipa biara oton sa dro bia bisenyame herbal capsules unya hu na ba bia obi afre police for no nchen na dro no ton nya papa edro no ton mi repeat enye papa e sawdust ena ode agum ena oton ede mankofo ye ne a ye ma me no ne papa no mo nko school da omo ntumi ngenkan no omo nya teme da se abra wade o county yo ya wusisi yo ya we yafu na de ye obiara no na o to ndi ye mere we ne ma me no mo guso omo to ebe ha omo akunkum gofo mpache weni bisenyame herbal capsules ena obi aisa sawdust ede agu nneoma mu eton ede ma ye maame nom ene ye papa nom asabi wo mu nima kenkan a omo hu tehwe da no pam cho bebre video ya mi yi Brighton Papa Tinto ni mani abre mosomfo Tinto ba ko pe Brighton ba bia be hu mi video bi a share forward na fama hu nua no nso nya bi na hu nya hu obi a o se bisenyame herbal capsules pe police for no mo nche no me da se anopai
abusiafo me ma mo nyina akwaba ba Free Mind family ejebo eja enyaba. Finally the first batch of COVID-19 vaccines ababidru Ghana. Now information me woni say the month of March ya babe wuremu government anase Ghana Health Service for ombeshase the enro no awo Ghana for. Initially nanka mempese meka ho asem based on these reasons. Reason number 1, many health experts what I say and when it comes to the issues of health and medicines and so on, area no won't me tackle issues relating to that area with common sense alone. Dabi, you need what we call knowledge. Into unya knowledge now the common sense no so aka. That's the only time I ubet me akasa about issues relating to health and medicine. Ubet me enya no correct. Oma u viewers and I say u followers wrong information. And I mean so no menya health experts. And nuntina na men pese meka ho asem. Reason number 2, platform hano men pese me promote conspiracy theories. Me pese information bi a me de ebema mo wa hano. Information bi a eto asum. Information bi a make sense. Information bi a menka ne se proving what I say. Se ne be ya mo betimi enya trust for this brand. Mo be hu se George de me betena ha enya sasabi me sorry ya na maso camera esi me so ka ensem bi a keke simply because me pe views anase bibia etisa no aha no. Me pesa me build the brand in such a way say mo be trust the brand say information bia me de mamu bia no information mo betimi I rely on what I say. Meaning say COVID-19 vaccines there are a lot of conspiracy theories and there are a lot of news circulating in the media, especially on social media, say vaccines enye safe, say vaccines abrofo no de be kunyen, say vaccines omo de chip bi afra say ye the vaccine no ewo wa sa chip no ebe wura oni padua mu ama yetimi atrakew ebinom kra gidi say a new world order agenda eno ntina omo create even 5G networks and be ya say omo de vaccine no wo na chip no be wura wo mu a on betimi use 5G network no they attract you because already omo I implant chip will be a womo. A GD4 binom cry, GD say the mark of the beast, a sir, according to the Bible, no eba. As I wouldn't be, I wouldn't mean to add dear, wouldn't me into pine, wouldn't mean a BBA, as Sebi or say, nipa that's a need, ya would me a year. Just say there are lots and lots of conspiracy theories. Now, so a hano. That is not what I want to promote. A hano. Because means and be a meka mubiano, a and somewhat a to assume, a and somewhat it make sense. And somewhat a logical, and somewhat men can say a proving, and nunti nana min pesa meka huwa semno. Now so I have gotten numerous calls from my followers, and I want say media ejumeye ye say ubinya followers you are more or less a public figure. In times like this, na u followers and I say omu tie wu omu follow no. Eya na ompese omu etie wadwen kire se ne be ya nia obeka no ebetimi aboa omo se ne be ya in making their decisions no they will be well informed and say ombetimi ehu ekwan a wo se omo esi efa so make omo final decision inti metna say dwen ho anam say no for the sake of my viewers and for the sake of my followers, for the sake of people who believe in me, for the sake of people who get inspired by me, I was saying about one thing now, me can be efa home, send a be a muina no, bia makuma, beto muyem, send a beya, say, oh, ye what you say, no obewa, and I say, oh, wa, ubet me and make it the right decision. Inti ebusia, muina so munim say, free minded ye, me too mira, not much resi. Inti muma yini kan yenhwe ehun video na se wi a madwen kira me wono me de eno so atoa mo so ti muma yenhwe ehun video.
You're seeing on your screens the vaccines as they are being transported from the Emirates aircraft to the VVIP lounge here at the Kotoka International Airport, specifically Terminal 2. And we have a statement from the Ministry of Information regarding the arrival of these vaccines. Thelma might want to read that for us, even as we observe the arrival of the vaccines. 600,000 of them, we have been told. Thelma, what does the ministry say concerning
this? So here's a statement signed by the President's representative at the Ministry of Information, the Honorable Kojopo Nkrumah, and it's a statement on the arrival of the COVID-19 vaccine in Ghana. And I'm going to read this as I received it. It says, the government of Ghana is taking delivery of 600,000 doses of AstraZeneca COVID-19 vaccine made by the Serum Institute of India, Covishield, today, February 24, 2021. This is the first consignment of vaccines acquired through the COVID-19 Vaccine Global Access Facility, COVAX, which Ghana, among 92 countries, has signed on to. COVID-19 vaccination will be conducted in phases among segmented populations. The first segment of the population that will receive from the 600,000 doses will be health workers, adults 60 years and over, people with underlying health conditions, frontline executive, legislature, judiciary, and their related staff, frontline security personnel, some religious leaders, essential workers, teachers, and other personalities in Greater Accra Metro, including Ewutu Senya and Ewutu Senya East in the Central Region. A similar segmented population in Greater Kumasi Metro and Obuasi Municipality will also be covered. From March 2nd, the COVID-19 vaccines will be deployed in health facilities and designated centers in these geographical regions. The government of Ghana remains resolute at ensuring the welfare of all Ghanaians and is making frantic efforts to acquire adequate vaccines to cover the entire population through bilateral and multilateral agencies. We urge you to do your part by ensuring that you get vaccinated when the vaccine gets to you. We acknowledge the hard work of the technical team from the Ghana Health Service, the Ministry of Health, the Ministry of Information, the COVID-19 Task Force, and all those who have assisted in getting us this far. Our development partners are also acknowledged for their tremendous financial and technical support. It is our hope that they will continue to support in our sustained efforts in combating this virus and putting COVID-19 behind us. That's the end of the statement.
And I can hazard a guess as to what informed the choice of those geographical locations. You recall that when there was a lockdown in parts of the country, some of these areas that have been mentioned in the statement actually came up. I mean, were some of the areas that were the hotspots, and so they went under lockdown, partial lockdown. It is therefore not surprising that they have also come up some of the areas to receive the first doses of the vaccine. But the minister designate for health, as well as some government officials, are currently about to receive the vaccines that just arrived. 600,000 doses of these vaccines, and so the good news is that what it means is that at least in the next few weeks, 600,000 Ghanaians, vulnerable Ghanaians and persons who are in frontline essential workers. Do journalists fall within this? If we do,
we would wait for Honorable Kojopo Nkrumah to send a tweet, maybe like he did the last time, and for the avoidance of doubt, journalists are considered frontline workers. So it remains to be seen whether we do get cover, Abdul. But it's refreshing to note that the Accra and the Greater Kumasi metropolitan areas and Ewutu Senya would be priority focus areas because they have had more cases, and so the attempt to make those areas a priority would be in line.
Which one?
Yo, Ebusuya, nia edi kan no me bo eye aban abaso. Se wahu se yare bi sei aba na ekum ni maifo na wa make the arrangement to look for medicines to save ne maifo. Modi yeni kayemfa conspiracy theories ne ensemu a yetete in the media no enton chen na yen tackle issue we yenyintum anasa yemfa ne se COVID-19 no yare a aba ekunipa intino yem finding a solution for it. Now in moving forward, you know, you bet me a save a lives. Now, my dream chira me wono any. In the first place, you know, Ghana ankasa ye wono se ye pe yare anase enyoma eku amanfo a COVID-19 is the least amongst them. TME yo me build a point. Ghana ye wono. So ye pe enioma eku nipa bebreba. COVID-19 is the least of them. Malaria eku nipa than COVID-19. Uhia poverty. Eku nipa than COVID-19. Inti the kind of effort yempenifo put in to get COVID-19 vaccines to come and inject Ghanaians, no, and can me expect say yempenifo no ebi put in the same effort to solve the poverty, the unemployment situation in Ghana, to help find a cure, a proper cure or vaccination for malaria. Senebeya malaria na eku enkwadanketua, malaria na eku Ghana for no yebetimi enya anodru. Ohia ekom a eku Ghana for no yebetimi enya solution for it. Now so eniema eku Ghana for ankasa ne de yempanimfo ejai atoho anase omo aye ahweha na COVID-19 a eba nansanya. According to numbers aye wokrampo no nipa ewu Ghana enye nipa bia ebroso so de sa nipa no compare malaria cases a COVID-19 de no endru ba bia na so COVID-19 de no de ye ni ho hanjo ye dimrika vaccine ba nansen ye yakrabi ababedru Ghana starting from March ya de babe wo Ghana for now Ghana ankasa no yankasa nanka ye wo ye haban ma ye nuru yenom ansana orthodox medicines anaasɛ aborɔfo nuro ɛbaa Ghana nti emra COVID-19 ɛbaa ye no one ye religion efeeli ye yasofo efeeli ye omo entimi am perform miracles bia nti ye religion any yasofo any ye belief efeeli ye no the next destination and also the next step and ko say ye come back to ye herbalist any ye doctors nanka aban itimi ekushini womo nanka emra na aborɔfo no ewo lab trying to find a cure no and ko say ye nso ye herbalist ye doctors any ye dunsifuo no yitimi ema omo sika bi nanka omo nso try to find a cure for us. You say Russia for ewo omo akasa vaccines, China for ewo omo die, and I am say America for nso ewo omo die, Ghana for and I say Africa for ye die way. On say yanya proactive and ya dwin a yen yusu ye nim die a yen yusu a ya dwin eye say empire and crying on Jesus ebetimi asolve problem nti on say we have gotten to the stage a ye ntimi enya eduro bia ama ye ho yete ha ama aborɔfo no akwakoye vaccines sa vaccines no ye nim chemicals a omode ye sa vaccines ya abai ye nim enuoma omode ahyem sa vaccines yi ye nim botaye potinti a omode sa vaccines yi abre yen because COVID-19 say ye gia to mu say e yare a ewo ho a eku aborɔfo no krampo echen yen enti minim ye nti a ombejai omo mindful COVID-19 vaccines anka e was say omo di kind of sorti omo ho first minim ye nti a omo ye ready say omo ni e beche ne pe we ye chimpe minim ye nti a omo ye ready say omo ni e beche ne pe a omo de ye de abre ye animanimu ye. We don't know the brain behind it na inimani say omo claim say omo de ba betu eye COVID-19 ase, but whether there is a hidden agenda or no hidden agenda no ye ensure that enye sure. It is a yanya proactive na ye use ya dwen na say aborɔfo no aye enuro e de abre ye dia fine enuro no aba bedru Ghana awie. Now this is the next thing that we have to do. E was say ma ya dokutafoɔ no ene ye num di ye nim difoɔ no e verify e check e hwɛ say vaccines no e safe for Ghana for and na say vaccines no e safe. Muntie me ye, I'm building a point. Samre ya vaccines no ababedru Ghana no. This is the time anko say aban e ma ya dokutafoɔ ene ye nim difoɔ e check vaccines no e verify e hwɛ say so bibia enim so enya ade bia eba be kunyen anase enya ade bia sebi enya chemicals bia eba be ma emema aye important anase sebi emema emma so ababe ye barren enya enuro bia the tracking system bi eba be to yemu ene sa concerns na Ghana for ewo no. This is the time I buy e was say o my health experts omo abin in viruses and vaccinations and medicines cross check vaccines na aborɔfo no e di abreye no na omo build a point na ye hu se vaccines no e safe and na say enye safe. We should not rush to inject Ghanaians with any vaccine. Point I'm making no. We should not rush to inject Ghanaians with any vaccine that we know less about or we know nothing about. What must say? Menka say aborɔfo no de be kunye mini proof bia. And I mean so no, I am of the opinion say aborɔfo no pese omu kunye nia. Anka it will not be true COVID-19 vaccine because aborɔfo no yenru a yenom yenua ni ayedi yentade ayehye any phones I use empabo ayehye any yenuma. About 99% of your new man ye use ni na no efri aborɔfo no ho na eba. It is say aborɔfo no person omu ye free we ase a anka do not even wait to get to this far to create COVID-19 and create vaccines to come and kill us. Anka omo kunye da. Intime no, I don't buy into that idea say aborɔfo no person ombe kunye. Now so me person ye check ehu say vaccines na ye de eba be wo Ghana for enro na ye de ebegu Ghana for widie mu no enro no safe for the good people of Ghana. And Sana, you go ahead to inject the good people of Ghana. Let us not rush to inject Ghanaians. Let us not rush to put chemicals in the bodies of Ghanaians. Yankasa, yehwe enrunum, enhwe se eye safe ma ye ne ayemfa. Enye safe a yenko tutu mass grave bi na yenhwe enruni na engum. Na Ghana for yentena sese ne ayetena na obi yankasa emo ne ho ban. It's as simple as that. Because me personally not dear. I don't trust the vaccines. No. Me personally, no. I don't trust the vaccines. Me dear say no. Me nkonko for the meantime. It is all person utie me. Na ofa me nsem edi tu hofo and I say edi build the point ema ho dia ene me making it clear ama mo say me the vaccines no me nya enwo ye. Se ekoba se enye compulsory mpo kra dia ene me nwo kra. Na so the only time I me wo no eye ebia emra omo aye ni se wanwo bia untimi emfru plane untimi into kwan ene untimi enye enuma bia me bobo so no. That is the only time I will be forced to go for the vaccine. So that time no cramp no Africa near way. Se me hwena se me wosika na se metimi atwia ama me document no telling me say my me who so no me wo yanka I rather go and pay and get that false document to protect myself because I don't really trust the vaccines. Intermediate for now no me wo me pese se bi omo aye omo adwe se omo de body ebe sete example and I say omo de body ebe ye guinea pig ejuma no omo di kan ekowo na metina ekire na me hwe for some time say bibia anto omo na say bibi boni bia ensia every honey there then I'll be in the best position to advise myself whether say me nkonkwa gibi mu me wedie mu and I say ni am decided that no e ma me nye kra but for now there I will not be part and I am not part of that vaccination exercise. Period. Nti wo a wo hwe me and I say wo a wo follow me bia wo nso to hofo. The decision is yours. Enya me na meka se chinchina me nkoje vaccine no. Enya me nso na meka se chinchina akoje. Say watie me nso manum asem. Watie point ama build. The decision is yours. Vaccines no me say government should not ena afin so no ansa na Ghana for be wo no e wo say edika ema yempanimfo nyina ewo vaccines no on national television yempanimfo nyina na Akufo Addo ene ye MPC no ene ne yire ene ne ma ene ne busuafo nyina eni kan enwo vaccines no omo wia na yama omo sometime about a month later se bibia anto omo a ene na Ghana for so ekoto santene ekoje enru no edigu omo wedie mu a ene na Ghana for so name what exactly they are doing now so eno crampo no yempanimfo no do just come and sit on TV and say yawo omo panie bi whether say yawo omo ampa na say yanwo omo no me no me no na no you will not get any proof what man say tin American say me sre aban say finally enro no ababeduru Ghana oma ya dokotafo ene ya nimdifo ehwehwe enro no na omo ehwehwe say so bibia enim sane ba ya omo betimi address the concerns of Ghanaians anya sadia sabi enye papa let us not rush to inject any chemicals in the bodies of our loved ones, our family, our relatives, the good people of Ghana without building any solid point to say vaccine no is safe and I say enye safe abrofo no e na akache ye say enye safe na yenso ankasa as a people no e dia be na yeka ya ankasa so as a people no sabi ehwehwemu ben e na yetimi aye to build our point and I say to also come to the conclusion say vaccines no is safe. Let us not just rely on ensemu a abrofo no kachire yen e wo say yankasa so yetimi eye yenhwehwemu na yankasa ye coming to our realization say vaccines no is safe and na say enye safe. Let us not just rely on what the white people are telling us. No, these are chemicals we are talking about too. These are medicines. These are chemicals we are talking about. In the chemical there, and sana obema ho kwan say, yemfa chemical bia engu wedie mu no. E wo sa wutimi ehwe say chemical na ye de egu wedie mu no. Sabi safe ma and na say enye safe. Let us not rush to inject the good people of Ghana. Me point I make no. Let us not rush to inject the good people of Ghana. Inti wa wo hwe me and I say wa wutie me so to hofo. To who for me there me, I have no control over the vaccines, and I have no control over the vaccination exercise, and I have no control over the government. Now so ni ametimi aya ne se metufo se ne be ya wankasa no obetimi e decide whether obeji nuro no and ase won so obeti say me a o twen ahwe animu for some time. The choice is yours. How the mentimi e decide amount. It's as simple as that. It's as simple as that. It's as simple as that. Ebusiafo sanya mu nyina enim no. Me din e de George Freemind. Me demo ebesi ha. Makramo.